Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Matthew Arnez, and I'm here to do a review for Lauren Hardy's program through Wholesaling Inc. Let me just first and foremost say that I started learning about wholesaling about a year ago, and I was watching the podcast for Wholesaling Inc. And there's a lot of different programs out there to possibly look into. But long story short, I was doing business in San Diego for a year, and it was just really difficult for me. I learned that it's just one of the hardest markets to enter in the whole United States. So I had to figure out a way to make the business work. And I didn't even know about virtual wholesaling until I, heard about Lauren Hardy through Brent Daniels. And anyways, long story short, I started watching her stuff, and let me just say, she's so awesome when it comes to wholesaling in general and just virtually wholesaling. Like, that's such a cool concept. And for me, it was something that, seemed like it makes sense. In my situation specifically, I needed to try a new market out to see if I can make it work. And I gotta say, ever since I started watching Lauren's stuff, ever since I joined the program, I've really started to explode, and it's been absolutely incredible. I landed a huge deal just recently and closed another one about a month ago. It's been 5 months, and the pipeline's strong. Everything just seems to be working, and Lauren sets everything up in a way that's so structured, perfectly, especially if you're brand new to the industry and you're trying to learn all about it. She really breaks down everything in a perfect way, and her weekly meetings where you get to talk to her, interact with her, and everybody else in the program. It just makes you feel like you're in a community, and it's really cool. So I just gotta say, Lauren, thank you so much. I really do appreciate just everything that you've done, not only for me, but everybody else in the industry who has entered your program. And I hope for everyone who's considering a program to enter, really just check it out. Lauren's awesome. Learn more about her and her journey, and just I really think if you are looking for a mentor, specifically for virtual wholesaling, Lauren's your girl. So Lauren, like I said, thank you so much. Appreciate it. All love, and best of luck to all you guys who are getting started in the industry. And let's make a killing. All right, take care. Bye.